had an issue with the stair on the Class A motorhome that would not retract. It was stuck in the out position. This part is the controller for the motor that drives the stair in and out, and this controller had gone bad. And so fix for the stair was to replace this controller. We go and show you underneath what was necessary to do to fix this controller or to replace the controller. So here we are underneath the motorhome, and this is the controller which attaches to the electric motor right there and controls the step. The process for replacing this is not that difficult. However, it requires taking each wire off one at a time and then hooking them up to the new controller in the same sequence. The most difficult part was getting this grounding wire. It goes up way up there to the top and attaches to that bolt up there to ground to the frame, and it just took a little effort to get under there and get all the way up there. Otherwise, everything else is a cannon plug. As you can see here, there's 3 or 4 of these cannon plugs throughout the assembly operation or the hookup operation, and then finally one hookup back here at the motor to power up the motor. This light comes on and off every time the door is open, and there you go. It's about a 1-hour project, laying on your back. Not that big a deal. You could probably do it faster if you're more prepared for it than I was. This was the first time I've done it, so it took probably about an hour to replace this component.